Kamadin bau Menteri Ketenaga jong ke Sorkar Pedang Ashwini Vaishnaw ulakran syai bak ke Sorkar Pedang kanom ailat ya ke jengmut ban peniasok ya ke rikasi dak ke Lynti Rel Menteri Rombak ke Jylla Prestone Tynsong la ong ba uru usngauhi bak ke Lynti Rel kadai Kaba Donkam hapo ke Jylla Henry ke jengmentoi hi yau pajba Susu ula ong balada ka Lynti Rel kan wan hapo ka Jylla Henry baya ka ayal piru ka day bertrikam susu ula ong ru baya ka jengmut ban wan ra ya ka Lynti Rel en saperkhat ha ka review meeting jong baro ka party meeting jong ka Jylla en saya kran ha ka jingyalang
Minister for Railways making a comment that they will not give up on implementing railways in the state, in the northeast particularly, and also in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Your comments?
No. See the statement made by the Honourable Minister of Railway. It is true. What he said is, he said the government of India is still very keen to connect Meghalaya with railway, and this is done not for their interest. It is for the interest of the people of the state. But again, when you talk about the state, recently Chief Minister has already constituted a committee. All party meeting will be held, and then after that again the meeting will be called under the chairmanship of Chief Minister himself to all the stakeholders, to all concerned, and we will discuss. Frank discussion has to be there, and ultimately decision will be taken. But let me tell you one thing, even from our side, I personally feel we need railway. But when I say we need railway, we need also to carry everybody on board. We cannot just say because I need it should happen. Therefore, on the basis of these issues where we still have, so we discussed and we decided from the government side that the all party meeting has to be there, and also meeting with all the concerned stakeholders will be called by the chief minister.
Sir, but it will be a stalemate.
At least the goods trains should be allowed because it has nothing to do with illegal infiltration and influx. Goods trains.
See, that's what I'm telling you. Let us meet first. Once we meet, once we discuss face to face with all the stakeholders, then only we will understand what is the loopholes, what is the problem, and then whether this subject can be carried forward or not. So, as I said to you, let us wait, and then we will see what is to be done. Okay?
Sir, but it will be a stalemate because their main concern is ILP. So you reach at the same
Don't come back that question. I'm telling you, that's what we would like to meet them. Because from the government side also, we are all out for the ILP. You knew it well. Even the House itself has passed the resolution. So we want that ILP should be there. And at the same time, we will again meet all the stakeholders. And as I said to you, we will discuss about the subject of railway, and also we will discuss about other issues.
So just one thing, DVP has opted